got you some really good stuff this time. Straight from the pill mill.
This better be good. My customers were starting to complain. Damn you, Laura.
Damn it, Sally. You need to be more careful. You think she saw me?
She didn't, lover boy.
Well, no thanks to you. She definitely saw you buying drugs. So now what do we do?
I'll handle it.
Sure you will.
Here comes Dickie.
What you got for me today?
Oh, hello? Are you all right?
No, I'm constipated. Hey, you got any Colombian gold? That might work.
Let me see what I have for you today, Dickie.
Ooh, that'll do. Proper.
Oh, Dickie. Really? Hot date tonight?
Well, I ain't dead yet.
Dickie!
All right.
Dickie sure is a grumpy old man. It's a good thing he's not particular about his drugs.
It's just another crazy old bird. Dickie! Dickie, you're going the wrong way!
Out of the way, Victor!
Turn around! I hope he gets home in one piece. George, you shouldn't have.
It's just a little something for my best girl. Better get out of here.
It's certainly a lovely day for a fundraiser, Harry. Of course they'll feed you.
Tally-ho. I hope there's better food this time.
Well, you better leave me some. Last time you were right by my side and I hardly got a nibble, Reggie. You grabbed it all.
Harry, Reginald, I'll make sure you get your treats. What's up with our Laura?
Maybe she got dive-bombed again by those sassy seagulls.
Are you all right, Laura? You look a little worried. No seagull poop, I hope.
No, Aunt Gertrude, no seagull poop. Honest, I'm fine. I just have a lot on my mind.
I was just talking to Reginald and Harry.
And what did your two favorite pelicans have to say?
They said they can't wait for the fundraiser this afternoon.
Oh, I hope it's a success. The sanctuary really needs money. Do you know how much it costs to feed these birds?
Plenty, I know. I've got to go. I've got to open the gift shop. I'll see you at the party this afternoon.
I thought there'd be at least 1 to 5 years. As if they're all my dad's age. And trust me, my dad was never young. There's nothing but stupid birds and dumb old people here. I'd rather die than get old like them. Oh my god, I am so bored. Maybe there's cute guys out by the beach. You think? Maybe. Come on, let's go before my parents see me. Yeah.
What's with these young girls today? Always complaining, always complaining. Where's all the hot chicks? Now they're talking.
Wow, this is great weather for a party, huh? Totally. And did you see all those hot guys hanging out around the bar? Mm-hmm. And this party's for a great cause. Do you know they rescue injured birds and nurture them back to health? Look how cute these guys are. Well, I sure wish one of these rich guys would make me their sweet cause. Know what I mean? No. What do you mean? Whatever. Never mind.
Hey, Reggie. You see the hooters on the curly-haired one?
Say, old chap, I couldn't miss it. Hey, did you see the derriere on that brunette?
Derriere schmerriere. Can't you just speak English? Like me?
You know how our lady friends love a party. Wouldn't it be smashing if this put them in the mood?
Hey, my Sadie Schmoopy. Tonight, let's make some whoopee.
Why can't you ever be ready on time?
Don't you yell at me.
Well, it's embarrassing. We're late again, as usual, and for my own event. You know what? Why don't you go off in the corner, get yourself drunk, try not to act too stupid.
Bill's a jerk talking to you like that. I hate the way he treats you. I think you ought to divorce him.
I don't know. I think it's more fun to stay married and make him miserable.
Honey, you deserve to be pampered.
George, you're a really sweet boy.
Boy? Oh, Laura, I'm a man. Don't I prove that to you every time we make love? I can't keep my hands off you.
Yes, you do. Over and over and over again.
You're driving me crazy right now. I'm on fire for you. I gotta cool down.
You're crazy. That's why I love you.
Something else is bothering you. What is it?
It's nothing.
Come on, tell me.
I saw something weird this morning. Sally was talking to a man on a motorcycle, and he handed her a bag.
Huh?
It looked like she was buying drugs from him.
Doesn't sound like Sally to me. We all know she's a freaking bitch, but buying drugs? I don't think so.
I don't want to talk about Sally or Bill anymore. I just want to concentrate on you.
How you doing?
Hey, how
the
are
usual?
You? Oh, definitely. I think we need a double. We didn't do so good on the golf course today. God, it was brutal.
Wow, the golf course got you guys.
Yeah, no, we're blaming it on the sun.
Wow.
I think we need more practice. More practice it is.
Yeah, enjoy yourself.
I hate the way you look at Laura, all lovey-dovey.
Baby, you know the plan. I'm supposed to put the make on her.
You don't have to like it so much. She's all dewy-eyed thinking you love her.
Sweetie, I'm just giving you time to work on Bill. Besides, you think I like the idea of that old geezer coming on to the woman I love?
And do you think I like going to bed with him? Ugh, telling him how much he turns me on?
How much longer, baby?
I'm working on it.
What are you two doing just standing around and not doing anything? Make sure our guests are well taken care of. If they're not happy, then I'm not happy. And if I'm not happy, guess who suffers?
Us.
A fake? Wouldn't you know it? Just like George. What a loser.
Hey, Gewalt, that woman is a Meshuggah.
Undoubtedly, she is off her rocker.
See that green bird up there? That's a pretty rare bird, and we just let them roam.
This one's taken.
Oh, she's so mean.
Really?
What is her problem?
That is just ridiculous. Why would you want someone like that when you have a woman like me?
Come on, baby. I'm just being polite. They're the daughters of some of our richest sponsors.
Well, it looked like they were coming on to you, and I don't appreciate it. I have standards, you know.
Yeah, right.
Well, I do.
Would you stop worrying? You know that I love you.
Prove it. Divorce that bitch of a wife.
Wish it was that easy. She'll get half of everything.
If Laura were dead, we'd get it all.
Wait, what are you suggesting?
Do I have to spell it out for you?
What the heck?
Oh, isn't that clever? Oh, here you go, baby. Have some bread.
Thanks. But where's the pickled herring?
George, baby. George, where are you? Ah! Oh! 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 No! No! Oh!
What was that?
A scream of passion it was not.
Oh, disgusting. Why can't people observe the no litter sign? I'll keep that for later. Laura? Laura? Are you dead, Laura? Laura?
She's dead, old woman. Kick her again, just to make sure.
Are you calling old?
Well, you're no spring chicken.
Help! Help! Somebody! Help! Help! Please! Help! Help!
Now that just dills my pickle.
Go find a men's room. Get cleaned up.
body?
I did. I was the one that found the body.
And you are?
Aunt Gertrude, of course. You should hear what Harry and Reginald have to say. They heard something last night.
Okay, Harry and Reginald. Who are Harry and Reginald?
The pelicans, of course.
What? The pelicans talk?
Of course they do. Silly.
This I gotta see. Okay. I was told that you may have been witness to a murder. Is that true? And Gertrude told me to ask you about the murder. Did you see or hear anything? Probably want a cracker? That old lady must be nuts. These birds don't talk. And I ain't no pelican whisperer.
What a putz. Does he really think we're gonna tell him anything?
The cause of death seems to be a fatal stab wound to the heart. I'll know better after the autopsy. She died approximately between midnight and 2 a.m. And where did you get him from?
Still trying to figure that one out. Thanks, Joe. This looks like it could get messy.
I'm so sorry about Laura. This is awful. I'm really worried about you and your heart. I don't want you to have another heart attack.
My heart is fine. There's another lower part of my body that I'm more worried about. Woman, you're wearing me out.
And you love every minute of it.
True.
No, it's too soon to talk about. We should really think about us. Getting married. Soon.
I just lost my wife. I know you guys didn't get along, but show some sympathy.
Of course. I know. I just really care about you. I want to take care of you. I love you.
Give me a hug. The light always hit you just there. You know what? To hell with sympathy. Let's go to my place and get it on, baby.
That's my feelings like.
Are you Miss Domar?
Sure am. Let me help you.
That's a mighty nice ring you got there.
It's cheap costume jewelry.
Miss Domar, where were you last night?
Don't be so formal. Call me Sally.
Okay, Sally. I'm Bubba. I mean, Detective Whitcomb. Where were you last night between midnight and 2 a.m.?
A girl doesn't kiss and tell. Since you're so nice, I was with George Garcia.
Where did you go and what time did you get home?
Can I call you Bubba?
No, but you can text me. All right, you can call me Bubba.
Well, Bubba, we never left my apartment. We were there all night, making love.
All night? That's awesome. I mean, that's a long time.
It is. Here's my phone number. If you have any more questions, call me anytime, Bubba.
Uh-huh.
Why the hell were you coming on to that stupid cop?
I was just having some fun, honey. Are you jealous?
Forget it, honey.
Anyway, I think we're in the clear. Bill's looking good as a prime suspect.
What if they arrest Bill? There goes all our plans. If that happens, we'll have to go to Plan C.
Plan C. What's Plan C?
Well, since the sanctuary will be turned over to Aunt Gertrude, I have no choice but to marry the old bat.
Are you serious?
Of course I'm not serious. Oh my God. I really am serious.
Laura Byrd was your wife, correct?
Yes, she was. And I can't believe that she's dead.
We've interviewed several people who told us that they heard you yelling at your wife earlier in the day.
Yes. No. Maybe. Are you implying? I did not kill my wife. We've argued at times like any other couple, but she was a good woman.
We also heard that you're having an affair with Sally Domar.
What? No. I'm not having an affair. All right. Yes, I'm having an affair with Sally. But please don't tell my wife.
Sir, your wife is dead. She was murdered last night.
That's right. Well, then, strike that. If she's dead, technically, I'm not having an affair.
I think I've heard enough. Mr. Byrd, don't leave town. Mr. Garcia, where were you last night between the hours of midnight and 2 a.m.?
I was with my date. We were together all night. Get my drift?
Yes, I do. But I'm gonna need to know the name of your date so that we can verify your whereabouts.
Sally Domar. We made love all night. Did you ever make love all night, detective?
Look, I'm doing the questioning here. Mr. Garcia, can you think of anyone who would want to hurt Mrs. Byrd?
Poor Laura. We were good friends. If you know what I mean.
You were lovers?
Come on, detective. You want me to do your job for you? Okay. Bill was jealous of us. It didn't matter because he was banging Sally, too. I'm not surprised Laura's dead.
Are you implying that Mr. Byrd had something to do with her murder?
I didn't say that. You guys are the cops. Do your job.
Mr. Garcia, we're finished for today. Don't leave town. We may have some more questions for you.
May I leave?
For now. Seems like no one keeps it in their pants around here.
You're damn right about that. Okay, let's get this straight. Sally Domar, who is hot, by the way, was having an affair with Bill Byrd.
Right.
Laura Byrd was having an affair with George Garcia, who was also making it with Sally.
Right. I sure am glad I don't work here. But as far as alibis go, everyone's accounted for except Bill.
It won't be long now before we have everything we've ever wanted.
Does that still include me?
Don't be silly. Of course it does. Why would you say something like that?
I never heard you telling Bill you love him. Do you?
Oh, George. Baby, you know you're the only one I love.
I don't believe you.
I'm offended by that remark.
I can't trust you. You won't need me anymore when you marry Bill.
Are you that drunk? You know the plan.
Do I? And how long would you need me?
Only a stupid drunk would accuse me of lying. I'm leaving.
You're not going anywhere.
I like it when you get forceful.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it turns me on.
You're really gonna like this.
What, baby? What? What's going on for you? What?
Sally. Sally. Sally? Sally? Oh my God. What have I done? Cheap costume jewelry, huh? Well, you won't be needing this where you're going. Damn, Sally? You put your fingers on a diet. What's going on here? My next girl will be more appreciative. Oh, come on. Cheers to you, Sally. Say hi to Laura for me.
Wow. This beats the body I had this morning. All right. Yeah, she's dead, all right. Murdered sometime last night.
Poor Sally.
What's with the poor Sally? Did you have a thing for her?
Yes. No. I thought she was nice.
She was a suspect in Mrs. Byrd's murder.
And now she's dead. But she sure was hot. Mm-hmm. I hope she had fun while she died.
Let's walk around. Maybe we missed something.
Hey, boy chick, you're in trouble now.
Looks like Aunt Gertrude was right about the birds. We need to talk to George again.
Okay, detective.
I didn't mean to kill Sally. It was an accident. I loved her.
So who killed Laura?
Sally did it. I tried to stop her.
And her motive?
To get Laura out of the way so she could marry Bill. Besides, Laura found out we were selling drugs out of the sanctuary.
And these drugs, where exactly were you getting them from?
What difference does that make now? We wouldn't have needed the money once she married Bill.
And once she hooked Bill, what did you stand to gain?
Everything eventually. With Bill's heart condition, Sally figured she could screw him to death.
Well, Mr. Garcia, you should definitely consider yourself lucky. You might have been her next victim. Officer, read him his rights, cuff him, take him to the station.
Better. Put your hands behind your back. Scott, you have the right to remain silent.
So how did you know Sally killed Laura and George killed Sally?
We can't divulge our sources, but let's just say we had a little help from our friend. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Did you just hear that bird say you're welcome?
No. He said you're welcome. Damn, I should have listened more closely to those guys the other day.
Just one more time. Well, no,
Come on,
no,
Trudy.
one more time.
Come on, Trudy.
Gertie, my name. No, that's not what it's for, dear.
Come on, come on.
Oh, this is so good. Look at that sunset. Is this not the moment?
Oh, that is romantic. The sun will set beneath the surface of the ocean. And Neptune will jump up and spear it with his trident. No.
I'm sure those drugs are doing something to your brain, you know?
No. Neptune's special. He's got 3 of them. That's why they call it a trident. He can poke 3 at the same time.
That means something else, doesn't it? I don't understand that one. Just let's enjoy our...
all right.
Dickie,
Yes?
this is for you.
This is for me?
No, maybe not.
Oh, come on, Trudy. Give it to me.
Trudy, I'm Gertrude, not Trudy. How many ladies do you have on the beach, for goodness sake?
When I say Gertrude, I think of...
I'm not the first one, am I?
Oh, yes, I was a virgin up until 20 minutes ago.
I don't think so,
Yes,
dear.
yes.
I don't think so. Oh,
for sure.
Let's just enjoy this.
Maida, it's for the birds. And if you think you'll get away with it, you're such a nerd. Maida, you're not that smart. Because we're watching you from above. We could be a crane or a lark or a dove. Schmuck, if push comes to shove, some feathered creature will see ya. Maida, don't be a jerk. We'll surround you and confound you and tear you apart. We'll pick at you and claw at you. We'll circle above and poop on your head all day. Is that what you want? If you think you'll get away with it? No way. It's for the birds. It's for the birds. Maida. It's for the birds. For the birds. Maida. It's for the birds. It's for the birds. And while you're leaving the scene of the crime, you really don't have too much time. But what do you think? We're blind? Some feathered creature will see ya. Maida.